Hey guys, I don't know, say it's your girl Shenseea here, and I promised myself that after doing my first show that I would do a giveaway. So I bought over 100 tablets.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up on yourself first and foremost. I Wull on there with the latest mix up and mix down. So if you're not subscribed yet, please consider in doing so. Alright, so today's video got a bit lit, so please tune in and stick around. So Skillibeng, girl where him would think him get pregnant, cause I know him baby mother. Actually, the girl where him think him get pregnant. So she did have a Eastside tattoo right in front of her ear, is right there at the pinna. As me and she remove it, as you can see, guys. Yeah, people, so that was the confirmation, say, yeah, everything done there, so between him and her, you see me? But me know say Skillibeng probably no feel no way and thing, you see me? So anything will happen for the best for the two of them. Comment what you think, you see?
Hey guys, I don't know, say it's your girl Shenseea here, and I promised myself that after doing my first show that I would do a giveaway. So I bought over 100 tablets for kids who are in need. So if you or anybody that you know is in need of a tablet, please let me know. I feel like, you know, with parents being underpaid right now because they have no choice, and you know, some of you guys, they don't even have a job, to much less purchase a tablet or a laptop for your kids to participate in online schooling. It's extremely vital for kids to gain an access to be given a chance to get an education. So yeah, I bought them for you guys, and I'll be distributing them island-wide. So hit me up or anybody from my team. Oh, and one more thing, I made sure to put my logo on it. So if you see anybody trying to sell you this tablet, please don't buy it. I buy it full already. Now buy it from nobody. It's free. So the schools, please hit me up as well, because you know.
Yeah, guys, Shenseea actually being a difference in Jamaica. I'm not telling a lie, artists not do certain things about them, but they even have pretty top people. You see me, I rate Shenseea, she get and she give. You see me? Yeah, man. And I kind of like that. You know, say, yo, you're something where can help Jamaican in a sense. And it go help it if you get the pray. Might not you, but your son or your daughter or family said way. You see me? So, yeah, guys, up next, Donna sets up ups again, because enough good things are going on Jamaica. Donna is poor people, government. You see me? So she reach out to this lady also on this one, you see?
Last time I came here, you remember me? Remember you and Donna? When we come here, condo. You come here, we get prayer one night. Yes. First time I come with the pastor and you now pray. Yes. And did I try to come in, come get the prayer button with it closed. Yes. So the last time I came here, a lot of persons reach out to me, and then you put up your number, and the owner is not here. No, they're not here. Okay, and persons wanted to know if you guys stay and take overseas purchase, like with credit card or stuff like that. No, you're not here. We take credit card, but only in Jamaica. I don't know about it. Okay, don't know if they can stay up there and pay. Okay, so what is the name of the flower shop again? Turner's Flower Shop. And it's on where? Waterloo Road. And you can give out the number? 381-4467. Alright, it's Turner's Flower Shop, 381-4467. And I'm going to show them around in the shop, Miss Claudia. You can just come with me and let me use and show the persons how the flower shop looks and what type of flowers. Wow, these flowers, this is bamboo. These are nice. Wow. The flowers them here fresh and green. When I live in another flower shop here, the way I love green plants. Green plants, I don't know what them do to me, but I love green plants, as you guys can see. There are so many different types of green plants in here. So when you guys go and get poinsettias? Next week. Next week for the Christmas. Yes, I need pancettas to brighten up my house. To give it that zest of Christmas. So you guys will soon see me. And they have all different types. Look at the fern. Wow, different types of fern. You can purchase your flowers for your house, for your loved ones. Look at the palm trees. They are, what a burgundy one your name? Oh, this them have red alley. Them have dragonfly or dragon blood or what to our name. All different types of flowers are right here, and all different types of green plants, hanging ones also. And let me tell you, the flowers are beautiful. As you guys know, I am a flower person. So come I have a little announcement to make. So Miss Claudia gonna hold this camera. Come right here. So the last time I came here was a while back, and somebody watched the program and they gave me $8,000, and they said, Auntie Donna, please bless the flower shop with $8,000 from Howard in Nottingham. So you want to count it and let Howard so that Auntie Donna give you the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and there was also a lady on the program who asked me to purchase a pair of flowers for Miss Silone home, and she also gave me $8,000 at the time and asked me to get plants for their home. And I am a woman to my word, so I want you to show me the plants I'm going to choose. 2 flowers for Miss Silone house. I'm going to take this down here, so. I like green plants, so I'm going to choose 2 of these. How much for these? $3,000. These are $3,000 each? Yes. Alright, so I'm going to choose 2 of these flowers, so that would be $6,000, right? Yes. Alright. And $2,000, how much that? Check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2,000 each. I will let Miss Silone have the change. She's not on the program, but this was a promise that I made to the person who donated the money way back then, that I will get the flowers. She asked specifically if Auntie Donna could purchase the flowers. I'm so sorry that Auntie Donna do not remember your name, because when I video her, I took the flower money from the donation that she got, because I called it out on camera, and I took the money out of it for the flowers and I put it down until today day. So I come with the 8,000 and I purchased it, and you said 6. Yes. So I'm not get no discount. That give me back something, make me give Silone, you know. So she get 3,000. I will hand her the 3,000. Yes. And the flower. She's not on the program, but because this was collected before she came off, I want to fulfill the promise, and she will get 3,000 change. I will just take a picture and give her the plants. All right. Thank you so much for donating. Oh, you can tell the person. You tell the person what you want to tell them. Yes. That give the donation.
Thank you, Howard from Nottingham, for this donation. Thank you so much. It's really a blessing. It's really a blessing. I thank you so much. And I pray God will continue to bless you, to bless others. Amen. Thank you.
Yes. And I want to show them around a little bit more. Let me do it, Miss Claudia. I see lovely orchids. Yes, orchids. Yes, I want to show them the orchids. And them have aloe vera. These are so nice. How they arrange them. What is small one name? And the orchids, wow. I have these a catch. And look at the orchids. Beautiful flowers. Welcome Jesus abides here. I love this sign. Welcome Jesus abides here. And the first time that I came here, they were having prayer meeting. Wow, this nice here. What is name? Bromella. So them have them in a red and orange and different color. Wow, these are nice. And I came by here when they were having prayer meeting, and they didn't let me in, and see, God turned it out in their favor. So I wanted to support them. Show the name of where the name of the flower shop. Or let me go and get the name again, that you guys can see it and support them. And you know, it is owned by a woman, and Auntie Donna love to support women business. And this is here, Turner's Plants. Cactus and Landscaping, 381-4467 and 876-770-9527. So guys, please do not call me and ask me for the number. Please check the video, it is right in there. Alright? God bless.